Welcome to our guide on how to do digital marketing for small businesses. In this digital age, it's important for any business to be present online. Whether you have a single storefront or an international brand, digital marketing can help you reach more customers and grow your business. 1. Choose the right platforms. First, decide on the platforms where your target audience is most active. This could include social media networks like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, or platforms like YouTube or Pinterest for visual content. 2. Create a strong brand identity. Your branding is crucial in the digital world. Create a consistent logo, color scheme, and tone of voice that reflect your business values and resonate with your target audience. 3. Optimize your website. A well-designed and optimized website is essential for search engines to find your business and attract potential customers. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly, easy to navigate, and contains relevant keywords for search engines to rank higher. 4. Utilize social media. Social media is a low-cost and effective way to engage with your audience and promote your business. Create engaging content that resonates with your target audience and share it on multiple platforms to reach a wider audience. 5. Leverage email marketing. Email marketing is another way to reach your subscribers and promote your business. Build a list of subscribers and send out regular newsletters, promotions, and updates to keep your business top of mind. 6. Invest in search engine optimization. SEO, or search engine optimization, helps your business appear higher in search engine results, driving more organic traffic to your website. 7. Consider paid advertising. Paid advertising, such as Google Ads or Facebook ads, can help drive traffic and sales to your website when traditional marketing methods fall short. In conclusion, digital marketing is essential for small businesses to reach their target audience and grow. By choosing the right platforms, creating a strong brand identity, optimizing your website, utilizing social media, and investing in paid advertising, you can successfully market your business online.